XB Marketing here with another video. So on this channel, I am going to be documenting a journey to making $3,000 a day with Clickbank. All right, so I decided to use Clickbank because I have been doing some Clickbank in the back end of this channel. So I basically decided to make this journey public for two reasons. The number one reason is to keep me motivated because I have decided that I am going to be posting daily updates about this journey on this channel, how much I made and what I did exactly on that day. All right, so I am going to be 100% transparent and showing you everything, the nitty-gritty of what was done on that particular day. Okay, so and I hope that you guys will be able to learn one or two things from my journey. Okay, and also by no means I am not saying I am the greatest affiliate marketer out there, but I have some level of experience with CPA and affiliate marketing. So I am going to be putting all what I have learned over the years into this journey. So now I am going to go to Clickbank. As you can see right here, I have made some sales on Clickbank. As I have done this, like I said, I have been doing Clickbank on the back end. I only decided to make it public because I want to keep myself more motivated to make $3,000 a day. So I am going to refresh the page. All right, so as you can see right here, everything you can see right here, today I made $10 today. And also, like I said, I am going to be sharing everything, showing you guys what I did, everything that I did step by step, so that you guys can get as much value as you can from this journey, and you can go on to implement this on your journeys as well. All right, you can see right here, last week I made over $400. Okay, as you can see, also 3 weeks ago I made over $700, and also over a month ago I made over $1,000 on Clickbank. All right, so now I am going to show you what I did today, because today is the first day of this journey. So I have made 4 posts on my niche Instagram account to one of the products that I am promoting on Clickbank, and I have also dropped a video on one of the products that I am promoting on Clickbank. Then I promoted this same product on Reddit. I also promoted this product on Facebook. So like I said, I am going to be dropping daily follow-up on this journey. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of these updates. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.